Okay, we're gonna have an interview, okay? You sit down properly like that. You have to choose between your Papalo and your Mamala, okay?
Yeah.
Who do you love most? Who?
4, 3, 2, 1.
No! Who do you love most? You have to choose. Is it your Papalo or your Mamala? Who do you love most? Or both? Papalo? Okay. The second question will be, dessert? What's your favorite dessert?
It's Bambi.
Huh? No! I'm asking you, what's your favorite dessert? I thought you know what dessert is. Badiday ka. Dessert! Fruit salad, buko salad, mango float. Do you know that one? Okay, let's go to another question.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Why?
Because I love blue with a C.
Oh, you love the ocean blue, the ocean blue, and the sky blue.
The sky is blue.
Yeah. I want you to sit down because we're having an interview. You know?
Yeah.
Okay. The next question is, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a princess.
Oh my god! Do you want to be a princess? Do you have castle? Where? Are you going to ask your daddy and mommy to build you a castle to make you a princess? Oh my god!
That's awesome.
Being a princess is awesome, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, aside from wanna be a princess, what else do you wanna be? Do you wanna be like your mom?
Hey!
Do you wanna be a nurse?